I've been craving Valenciana for a few days or tinatawag na arroz Valenciana. It's a sticky rice dish, a savory sticky rice dish na always compared to the paella. Para din siyang Indian biryani because it uses turmeric. So ito yung ginawa ko earlier is yung aking rice has been rinsed and been soaking in water. 1 cup of water, di ba? Hugasan mo yung rice. Nilalagyan siya ng mag-iwan ako ng 1 cup ng water. Then nilagyan ko na siya ng turmeric at luyang dilaw. And ito, around an hour or so. Kaya minsan, nagluluto tayo ng mga ganitong dishes. Nahihilawan tayo ng kanin, di ba? Because hindi maka-absorb ng enough moisture yung rice. Kasi yung sabaw natin, thicken na siya kasi may tomato paste, may kung ano-ano. Kaya, pag nagluluto tayo, nangyayari ay nagiging hilaw, no? We don't have enough time for our rice to absorb enough moisture and cook. Kasi minsan kumakain tayo ng bringhe, kumakain tayo ng Valenciana, or kumakain tayo ng paella. Di ba ang laki ng slice ng sahog? So pag kinain mo, puro kanin, wala nang meat, wala nang protein. So ginawa ko dito, smaller pieces yung ginawa ko so that everybody can share. Kahit ano yung sandok mo, meron ka ng halong meat, may vegetables and all that. And isa natin yung ating onions and garlic. Antayin natin na bumango siya, ha. And ito, lalagay ko na yung aking meat. So meron tayong diced na baboy, parang menudo cut lang. Tingnan mo, malilit lang siya, oh. Yan. Ito, pang everyday version. O, diba? Pero bongga pa rin. Chicken, may pork, may chicken. Season this with a little bit of salt. And ito, I have chorizo. This is Spanish sausage from Tindeli. O, diba? Mag-order kayo sa Tindeli ng ating Spanish sausage. Hiwa ko lang siya ng maliit. Bakit? I want, when you eat the rice, pag sandok mo, completos ricados, no? Hindi yung puro rice lang din. Hindi mo na mahanap yung karne. And I will add my sausage. Very traditional ingredients lang, pero quite simplified, no? Kung ayaw mo ng maraming sahog, pwede naman na you just use all chicken or all pork. Isa natin. Lalagyan ko ng aking konting laurel leaves para mabango. Season with salt and pepper. And I will also saute. Some people like it, some people don't like it. Ano yon? Pasas. Pero ako gusto ko ng may raisins, eh. Additional fiber in your meal. May magagalit naman kasi may pasas yung food. Tanggalin nyo na lang, ha. Pero ito, sasarap to. It will create a very nice balance of flavors. So I'm using Maggi Magic Chicken Cube, and I will just add it here to my hot water. Papakuluin ko yan, ha. And now I will add tomato paste. This is around 3 to 4 tablespoons of tomato paste. Isa ko muna. Lalagyan ko yung aking chicken liver. Let that cook. Just sauteing my liver. Now, ilalagay ko na yung aking malagkit sticky rice or glutinous rice, no? Already with the turmeric. Dilaw na dilaw. Gigisa din natin to. Excited na ako kumain. And ito, by soaking your rice, medyo you ensure na hindi ka mahilawan sa loob. No? Isa lang natin, no? Saute lang natin ng konti. Before adding our chicken stock, no? Using our Maggi Magic Chicken Cubes. And ngayon is the time that you will also season it. Gamit ko ay patis. Ito siya, dapat kasi pakuluin natin ng konti. Then titikman natin. Bakit? If you don't do that, and medyo matabang yung timpla mo, then nain-in na siya, ang hirap mo na ihalo yung timpla. So, mangyayari, hindi maging even. May maalat na side, may matabang na side. So, ito, while very watery pa siya, a little bit more. Pero obviously, you don't want it to be salty. Bakit? Kanin siya, di ba? So, dapat, pag kinain mo, pwede, kahit ganito, parang kanin ulam na siya. Pag Pinoy, kung gusto mo pa rin ng ulam sa gilid, di ba? So, ito, yun ang sinasabi ko, di ba? Yung sauce natin, thick, oh. So, pag nagluluto ka ng kanin na hindi mo siya sinoke earlier, what happens is that hindi na masipsip ng rice grains yung ating liquid, no? So, magiging hilaw siya. Meron tayong bell peppers. So, ito, mag-iwan tayo ng portion nito for garnish, no? Bell pepper, red bell pepper. And we will dice, no? So that every time you bite into your Valenciana, meron ka ng share of your bell peppers. And I will also add green bell peppers. You don't have to. In. Masarap yan. Masarap yung food ko today. Ano pa ba yung masarap na i-partner sa Valenciana? Lechon ba? Lechon? Morcon! Ano pa? Tatawagin na natin itong version ko ng Valenciana. May name na ako. Gary. Di ba? Pwede, no? Gary. Hey, Gary Valenciana. Yan. Lalagyan natin ng green peas para hindi tayo mag-away-away, malagkit, di ba? Sticking together by unity. Then may green peas para peace tayo lahat. Then pag tinikman mo, mag-shout for joy ka sa ating Gary Valenciana. Tito joke! Tito joke naman tayo. Sus, malalait naman ako ng mga tao. So, Tito, your joke. We want this to cook, pero when we plate it later on, meron tayong pang-garnish sa taas. And I will just cover this up. So, ito siya. At this stage, there are two ways to do it. Ito siya. Pwede mo na siya. Pahinaan yung apoy natin. And let it cook slowly. In-in, no? In-in. Tinatawag nilang in-in. Slow cook so that every thing cooks evenly. One option, ha. Ipat natin pan, may banana leaves. And dun mo na siya i-fully cook or i-in-in with the pot with banana leaves. I will not do that, but I will just prepare my serving dish with banana leaves. No? So I will just heat this up. And I will line my serving plate with my banana leaves. Yan, look at that. Oh. Slow cooking. Pain-in na yung ating Valenciana. Look at that. We want it to have whole grains, sticky, and beautiful. And I will just cut my banana leaves to line my platter, my serving dish. Then I will just trim off the excess banana leaves. Oh, nagiging sticky na siya. Oh. Yan. Some people like to add coconut milk to this. So, magiging parang bringhin ng Pampanga na rin yun. So, iba-ibang versions, iba-ibang probinsya, no? And I think each family cooks it. Iba-iba din yung napapasa na recipe or nakasanayan. Or, the younger generation makes adaptations or adjustments. Like me, I'm the younger generation. Binago ko ng konti, di ba? Ginawa ko mas maliit para mas happy lahat pag kumakain. Kasi they have their share of protein. Ito, konting in-in na to. All you have to do is wait. And etong ating pang-topping, yung gagawin ko dito, saute ko lang to. I will just saute it. Ayaw naman natin maglagay ng hilaw, di ba? So, yung gagawin natin, we'll just heat up our saute pan. Add a bit of oil. And I will just saute my red, green bell peppers very lightly. Season with a bit of salt to bring out the flavor. And itatabi ko na siya pang topping natin. No? And meron din ako ditong hard-boiled eggs na nakaabang to make it even look more festive. Just leave that for garnish. So subscribe to the Chef Tatong YouTube channel while waiting for this to cook. Dahil marami tayong recipes. Also, click the bell button to get notified for new recipes para sabay-sabay tayo magluto, kakain, at tataba. And look at that, no? It's getting there. Malalaman mo kasi when you're cooking this, no? Yung makita mo yung grains of rice, no? It begins to look translucent. Bango, no? Bango? Bango? Konti lang itong luto. Maluluto na to siguro mga 7 to 8 minutes. You don't rush it. It takes longer to cook because medyo malapot nga yung sauce niya, di ba? And as it cooks, all the flavors will come together. The rice will get the flavor for the chicken, di ba? The chicken will get the flavor of the pork, the sausage, the vegetables, and all that. So, pag kinain mo, wow, piyestang piyesta, di ba? Piyestang piyesta. So, this is something that's getting lost through generations dahil wala na masyadong nagluluto. Pero, try this. Very simple to do. Very easy. Lapit na to. Gusto ko na tikman. Hindi na ako makawait. Titikman ko lang yung side so I know if malapit na maluto. Usually kasi, yung nasa ilalim, luto na yan eh. Itong gilid natin, oh. Actually, it's cooked. So, I'll just cook it a little bit more. Gary Valenciana, good job. Luto na siya. And I'm so confident kasi tama yung ginawa natin. Look at that, no? Nagmamantika na sa gilid. And I will show you. Yan, no? Malagkit-lagkit. Ito, masarap yung tutong, oh. Oh, wow. So, ito, we will plate. And yung pwede mo kasing gawin dito, yung tutong, ilalagay mo sa taas. Diba? Kasi yun ang masarap. Diba sa paella, anong tawag dyan? Sukarat. Pero pag Pinoy cooking, ewan ko, tutong lang yung tawag. Diba? Chef tutong. Ito, I'm scraping the top kasi yung gusto ko mangyari, yung aking tutong, I will put on top, no? As part of the presentation. Yan, no? Nakikita mo, may tutong konti, oh. That's what we want, no? Yun talaga, yung price part of this dish is the tutong, the crunchy part. Yan, no? See that? Ito, tip ko sa inyo. Very important tip. Pag nagluluto ka, pagtira ka na ng konti. Diba? Para hindi masira yung presentation. Ganun, diba? Pag nagluluto tayo ng mga handaan, yung kusinero, hindi nakakain. Ito. Pagtitira tayo ng para sa atin. Flatten, flatten, flatten. And pag lumamig yan, as it cools down, it will continue to, you know, absorb the moisture. Diba parang kanin na bagong luto, basang-basa siya. But ito, as it rests, it's going to dry up a little bit. Ganyan. Ganito, top natin ng ating, kalat natin yung ating green, red bell pepper, konting peas. Happy Fiesta, Happy Birthday, Happy New Year. Yan ang itlog. Eggs be with you. Yan, no? And we are done. Diba? Meron na tayong pang-piestang dish. Ito, you can prepare it. Palapit na. Burmans. Kasi sabi ko, hindi natin tinipid sa sahog. Medyo maraming sahog. But every portion you have has your share of the, ito atay ng manok, may chorizo, may chicken. Let it steam out for a while para, diba, ma-absorb yung mga excess na moisture. Etong portion ko, may tutong. And let's taste. Dapat may chorizo. Perfect with the chorizo. And ako gusto ko may raisins. It brings everything together eh. Perfect bite. Masarap dito. Galantina, partner. Yung may gravy. Wala na, kumain ako dito. Nasira na yung diet ko. It's perfect. Our rice is not overcooked. It's not mushy. Look at that. Nakikita mo pa rin yung grains. Perfectly cooked, perfectly flavored, and perfect for me. Now you've watched the video. Make time to try this recipe. Cook it for your family. Get feedback. Diba? Introduce something that's really part of our heritage to a younger generation. Or if you're from our younger generation, revive classics and introduce them to your peers. Kasi, alam mo, Philippine cuisine is part of who we are. Kaya ito siya. Ang ating version ng Arroz Valenciana. Simple!